if you talk about the ergonomics of the Zorki 4, I don't think that this part of the camera is an issue to access the advanced knob, not because you're doing this all the time, but because you pretty much, if the camera is well running, this one has been serviced by Oleg from OK Vintage Camera. If it's well running, you literally can do this. It's a tiny bit harder to do when you have dragging the film, but it's still like, this is how I shoot with this camera. The shutter speeds, as long as you are on the fast speeds, the one with either that's just the slits that are not using the slow speed escapement, it's pretty effortless to roll it like this. But when you are using one of the slow speed, let's put it on 1 second. 1 second. Oh, like this, you will feel this point when you start advancing it through the slow speed. But it's still plenty doable. Yeah. But I had in my hand another Zorki 4 that was not like as easy to operate as this one. But this one, pretty much all the mechanical gizmos on it are working as expected. I generally dislike touching the self-timer on any of those cameras, but I have nothing special to say about this one. And it's a 63, and it has the dials engraved, but this Zorki 4 screen, it doesn't have the frame around this window, and yeah. And I have on it a Jupiter 3, which is a Soviet version of the export, so it's written in Cyrillic, and it's a 61 unit. Yes, 1961. It's a very fine lens.